Looking for Nutri Ninja Countertop Blender for the holidays? Luckily, we are here to help. Here are the best choices we think you should consider when looking for the perfect gift. And the best part? We already collected them for you. All you need to do is click this link below, and choose your favorite one. Number 1, the Nutri Ninja with Auto IQ takes the guesswork out of drink making. Auto IQ technology features intelligent programs that combine unique timed pulsing, blending and pausing patterns that do the work for you, by Ninja. Number 2, the Nutri Ninja Blender Duo with Auto IQ offers many unique benefits that take the guesswork out of drink making. Auto IQ technology provides intelligent processing that combines timed pulsing, blending, and pausing functions that do the work for you. Another great product by Ninja. Number 3, the Ninja Professional Blender 1000 features a sleek design and outstanding performance with 1000 watts of professional power. Ninja Total Crushing Blades gives you perfect ice crushing, blending, pureeing, and controlled processing. Christmas 2018 is almost here. Click this link below for more great offers and ideas. Get yours now.